What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. And finally the weather has cleared up a bit. It's bright, it's sunny, it's not that cold. It stopped raining, most importantly. So I decided to take out the DJI Mavic Mini for a little range test. The reason why that is because I was really struggling with my first couple of flights in terms of range. I was getting constant errors, pop-ups on my screen showing me that the range is not good enough, that I need to go back. The return to home feature was initiated quite a lot when I was flying, and even within a range of 200 to 300 meters, the drone was just failing so hard, and it was just a disaster. So now I came here. This is my go-to place for doing range tests or for some other tests that require to be extremely careful, because there is nothing but fields around here. So in case something bad happens, I should be able to just go a bit further and find the drone myself. Hopefully that won't happen today, but we'll find out very soon. So as you might know, I am in Bulgaria. That's in Europe, which means that we are flying here under CE mode, and the CE mode is quite limiting compared to the FCC mode, which is being used in Canada, in the US, and many other countries. So here the range that we're getting from the Mavic Mini is a lot smaller compared to the range that the guys in the US are getting, for example. So on the DJI website we can see that there are actually two different models of the DJI Mavic Mini, the one that is FCC compatible and the one that is CE compatible. So the range of the CE compatible Mavic Mini is a lot smaller, but it still should be up to 2 kilometers. I don't believe we're going to get that far today, but we'll test that today. And I'm really interested to see in a place where there is no Wi-Fi interference what the range is going to be. It's really interesting for me, so it's time to stop talking, get the drone in the air and just check it out. Let's go. So the drone is now in the air. Current height 34 meters. I will go to about 40 meters just so I can be sure, and then I'll switch to sport mode because that is going to make the drone a bit faster, and also it's going to react better to the wind, because we all know the Mavic Mini is not very good in the wind. And let's begin. So 200 meters. I have to say it's quite fast. 300 meters. No sign of, weak signal. That was the first warning. Strong wind. 400 meters. Just a strong wind warning. 500 meters. That's pretty good for now. 600 meters. 700 meters. For now everything seems good. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting to not have warnings on my screen. 800 meters. Okay, 900 meters. One kilometer. Okay, that's more than I expected. I will go a bit higher to about 50 meters. 1200 meters. $1,300 meters. Wow, that's more than I expected, to be honest. 1,400 meters, and for now the signal is quite solid. I mean, I have 18 satellites. 1,500 meters. 1,600 meters. Wow. 1,700 meters. So right about now we are getting up to close to the advertised 2 kilometers of range. 1800 meters, RC signal lost. It's still going though. 1900 meters. Okay, 2 kilometers. I think this shows that the range of the Mavic Mini is actually not bad at all. So for now I would just initiate return home. And 2 kilometers is actually quite good. So let's see how quickly it's going to go back. Now we have some breakup. It has a lot more errors on the screen though. Aircraft not connecting to RC. It's breaking up a lot more than on its way to those 2 kilometers of distance. Signal interference. It's 900 meters away. What a nice surprise, right? I mean, we were able to get 2 kilometers of range with the Mavic Mini, something that I never expected to happen. I was really thinking that it might go to 500-600 meters and then it will break up. But the signal was actually very strong. One thing that I noticed was the fact that the drone was not that stable on the way back. It had a lot more breakups. It had a few more issues and a few more errors popping up on the screen, but I managed to get it back safely. One thing that I'm a bit pissed off about is the fact that I wanted to record my screen, my iPhone screen, while I'm flying. I wanted to show you the whole flight, but for some reason the flight, the whole footage was not recorded. So I don't know why that happened, but hopefully the Osmo Action footage that I recorded from my head would be usable, so you can see that I really managed to go 2 kilometers away with my Mavic Mini. So like I said, this is a great thing to see. I wasn't expecting it. I'm very happy to see that the Mavic Mini is actually capable of going up to 2 kilometers away, because you never really need that much range anyway, but as long as the drone is stable within your line of sight, that is all that matters. So now I will be a bit more positive when it comes to flying with the Mavic Mini in environments like these. Maybe outside of the city is where it's going to really shine the most. But yeah, I'm glad I did this test. So hopefully now, guys, if you're flying in Europe, you will have a little bit more peace of mind with the Mavic Mini, because it is stable enough. It's confirmed. So yeah, hopefully you found this video useful and interesting, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe for more Mavic Mini content. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you very soon with my next video. Ciao!